Hi everyone, this is my course reflection for the class MIT 812. I really enjoyed this class. I feel like I learned a lot about multimedia and how to use it in the classroom specifically. I feel I met the objectives by demonstrating the use of multimedia, being able to edit photos and videos. I've never done anything like that before, besides like using like Instagram and editing photos that way. So I thought that was very informative. I feel like I've created some projects for my kids to use in the classroom using different multimedias, and I think that it's been very successful and they've really enjoyed it. They're very engaged in what we've been doing, so I like that a lot. And just collaborating with peers, I think that we've had a lot of great discussions, and I've learned a lot from you guys and the projects you guys are doing in your classrooms and otherwise. The project in the past, we've done this project as kind of a written report and using a physical representation or a poster. We haven't always had iPads to use, so now that we do, we've always tried to, make a multimedia presentation, and we've always used iMovie, which the kids are very fluent in and know how to do. Now we're using different types of multimedia, and I've been sharing all the things that I've learned in this class with my class kind of as I learn them, and they catch on so much quicker. And we're even showing me some tricks and some cool things that you can do with the applications that I've learned. All the projects that were created were extremely different. Some kids still stuck with iMovie. Some kids made an animation using Powtoon, and some people still liked the physical project, and so they did that. But the editing photos and videos was really cool to see how they did that. It was very easy for them, and they could do it even quicker than me, so it was really cool to see. I've learned a lot along the way. Looking forward to next year because I feel like I'll have a better grasp of some of these multimedias, and I'll be able to create projects even more creative and better than this one. So here are the ISTE standards that I feel not only for this project, but for the whole class. So my big takeaway was for the whole class was mainly just how much multimedia there is out there. I never truly realized just how much there is and all the options. I've always stuck with what I'm comfortable with, so this kind of broke me out of my box, and I really liked that. The lesson that we did on doing my best to protect my students online was very interesting. Scared me a little bit, but it really stuck out for me, and trying to do my best and looking into websites and that sort of thing before putting my student information on there. Since this is my first class, the TPAC model was extremely new to me. I hadn't even heard of it, so I really enjoyed reading about that. Thank you guys for all the feedback and comments throughout this 3-week quick class, and I look forward to seeing you guys in other classes. Thank you.